Good morning, dear students. Welcome you all. Today we will start a new chapter of English grammar. The chapter name is Making Posters. In this class, we will learn how to make poster. Let's come on the chapter and try to know about the chapter in detail. Poster is a notice often with a picture on it, which is put in public places for advertisement or to educate people about something. Understand? So the use of poster is what? Poster is a type of notice. You have studied, learnt notice writing. So just like a notice, often with a picture on it, you can get picture on it, which is put in public places for advertisement or to educate people for something. Understand? So come on, the format, layout. What is needed here? A creative title in the form of a slogan or rhyming words. Understand? Afterward, you can use matchstick for illustration, for description. Understand? For any description, you can use matchstick. Proper spacing and proportionate headings and illustration. Proper spacing with proper headings and proper illustration descriptions are required. Date, time and venue must be mentioned in case of an event. You must include date, time and venue, place must be mentioned in case of an event. A poster displays a message or an appeal to create awareness, to aware people. You can know that a poster displays a message or it may be an appeal to create awareness among people. Understand? So in this chapter, here in exercise number first, we will do first question for your understanding. The question is your school is going to organize a cultural function. Make a poster about the function. So we will see here the poster. We will see here how to make poster. This is the first question of your exercise. You have to first draw the lines. Understand? Afterward, we are getting that here. What are the things mentioned? Welcome to the cultural function. The heading of school name will be included in the topic. The date. Understand? What are the things will be there? What are the items? Items are mimicry, music, dances, comic play, venue, school, auditorium, time 4:30 p.m. These things must be mentioned in a poster. So I hope that you have understood. Thank you. Dear students, we will start a new chapter, story writing, and we will learn here how to write a story. Understand? So come on the chapter. First we will see the format. Story writing requires a lot of creativity and imagination. Think of a plot, a series of events. We have to think a series of events for a story. Decide about the characters. Understand? Give a suitable title. Use simple language. Write short sentences. Maintain coherence. Maintain coherence means your sentence must be logically true, connected to each other, connected to the story, connected to the theme, and try to bring out a moral or message in the end. Understand? And you have to write your story in the past, in past. Understand? So here in the chapter you will get the outline of the story. Outlines are given. and on the basis of outlines you have to write a story. Understand? So here in exercise first, the outlines are given. Four brothers always quarreling, father about to die called his sons, gave them a bundle of sticks to break. None was able to break it. Father united the bundle, sons broke separate sticks. Afterward, you will write the moral lesson. Understand? You will give the title of the story in the beginning, in the starting. So, I am going to tell about the story, how to write this story on the basis of outlines. Understand? So, come on here. There once lived four brothers who were always quarreling with one another. The father became very old, grew very old. He was distressed by the quarreling going on among his sons. You have to use the outlines which are given in the exercise. Understand? When the old man was about to die, he called his sons to him and gave them a bundle of sticks tied together. He told them to break the sticks, first one and then the other tried. Though they were strong young men, they were not able to break the sticks. Understand? Then he united the bundle and told them to break the separate sticks. Sorry, he untied. Then he untied the bundle and told them to break the separate sticks. They did it easily. Understand? Afterward, the father said to his sons, "Listen to me, my dear sons." The old man said, "When the sticks were tied together, they were so strong that you could not break them. When they were separated, you were able to break them easily. But united so that you will be strong. If you continue to quarrel and be disunited, you will remain weak and can't get on well. Never forget that unity is a strength." His words proved to be effective. The four brothers gave up quarreling and held together as one family. Understand? So you get the title, Unity is a Strength. So I hope that you have understood all this clearly, and on the basis of outlines that are given in your exercises, in your exercise you have to complete all the questions. Understand? Yourselves, you will complete yourselves all these questions. So I hope that you have understood all this clearly. Thanks for watching the video.